Okay, saya nak bentang balik. I need to explain back about the spermatogenesis or abnormalities in sex chromosome numbers. Okay, and non-disjunctions occur during spermatogenesis. Okay, that I have the problems to explain about this. A little bit confused. Okay, spermatogenesis producing sperm containing abnormal numbers of sex chromosome. Oogenesis was settled. Okay. Okay, from this diagram, okay, we look at this diagram refer to the chromosome, sex chromosome only, but still have chromosome from chromosome number 1 until chromosome 20, 23, 22, and with their homologous chromosome means chromosome number 1 have 2, chromosome number 2 have 2, until chromosome number 22 have 2. Include X, XY because of this is diploid cell. Okay, and during meiosis 1, this XY chromosome fail to separate, means undergo process non-disjunction. Okay, because of non-disjunction process, so this XY will be separate, and meiosis occur normally. Okay, this yang have problem. Okay, I show the way how. Okay, so this is normal cell or diploid cell, and we focus on sex chromosome, which is XY, because of this is spermatogenesis. Okay, so this XY, so kita pakaikan dengan chromosome. Okay, we have chromosome here, chromosome X and chromosome Y. Okay, and what happened? Okay, for example, this is during metaphase, and during anaphase 1, okay, this chromosome is supposed to be separate into a different pole, but due of non-disjunction, these two chromosomes will move to the same pole. Okay, so they move here. Okay, and because of that, they will produce. They have X and Y chromosome. This. Okay, n plus 0. Okay, ataupun n minus 1. More easy lah. Okay, more minus n minus 1. Okay, so XY means n plus 1. Okay, supposed to be. Okay, then this one. Okay, we have X and Y chromosome in one daughter cell. So what happened if there is no non-disjunction? Here have a non-disjunction. Okay, and anaphase occur normally. So kita tengok anaphase occur normally. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, and it's become like this. Okay. Okay, and they will produce one daughter cell consists of two, which is have X and Y. Okay, X and Y. Okay, and here is like this. If we produce gamete with n minus 1 and then n plus 1, which is 22 plus xy, and then this is only 22 plus z, 0. Okay, this is non-disjunctions occur during anaphase 1, or we call as meiosis 1. Okay, so if spermatogenesis, okay, masih lagi under spermatogenesis. Okay, masih lagi under spermatogenesis. So we have X and Y have two chromosomes, X and Y, and then non-disjunctions occur. Sorry, there is no non-disjunction during meiosis 1. Okay, so mean each cell will receive X and then Y. Okay, and if there is non-disjunctions, okay, if non-disjunction means here will got, okay, non-disjunctions here. Okay, non-disjunction, okay, they will produce 2 and this 0, and if this is normal, they will produce like this and this. Okay, and they will get 1 and 1. Okay, both is Y and Y. Okay, or can be there is undergo non-disjunctions, and if there is non-disjunction, so they will get is Y tadi. Okay, they will get Y and Y, and then this one Z, 0. Okay, boleh, and they will produce gamete n plus 1, n minus 1, and this one n plus 1, and then this one n minus 1, or have 22 chromosome plus X, 22 chromosome plus 0, okay, 23 chromosome. Okay, this one is 22 chromosome plus Y, and this one is 22 plus Z, 0. So what happen if it's fertilized with X chromosome? Fertilized with X chromosome. Okay, so what happen is, so this is become X chromosome means they have 22 plus X. Okay, this akan form 44 plus X. This one is 44 plus X. O. Okay, this one tak ada masalah, so dia akan get fertilized dengan X. So they will get 44 plus X, 22 plus X. So they will get 44 plus X, XY. Okay, ataupun here is 22 plus Y. Okay, and then here they will get, if fertilized with the X normal chromosome, 22 plus X. So they will get 44 plus XYY. This one is 44 plus X, XO. Turner syndrome, K, super male, K, normal, K, Turner syndromes, and trisomy X. Okay, boleh. Okay. For non-disjunction in meiosis 1 tadi, I forgot. Okay, non-disjunctions within meiosis 1. So we have XY chromosome, and these fail non-disjunction. So X, they have XY chromosome, and then they have both will get, okay, they have two chromosomes, which is they have X and Y, or they have 22 plus XY. Okay, here is 22 plus XY. Okay, because they get 2. Okay, here is 22 plus Z, 0. And if this sperm fertilized with the normal gamete with X, which 22 plus X, okay, this will produce 44 plus X, Y, okay, and then they will get 44 plus X, Y, same, and this one is 44 plus X, XO, so it means Turner syndrome, okay, Klinefelter, both is Klinefelter, okay, that's all.